Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix MW3 pocket blast problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution consists of two simple steps. The first step is to change internet pocket priority. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. And now you just need to expand the network adapter, and you just need to right click on the network adapter you are using it and select properties, and now select the advanced tab, and in here you just need to scroll down, search for priority VLAN. You just need to click on it. On right side value, click on this drop down and set the value to priority VLAN enable, and after setting it, select OK for save changes. Now close it off here. The second step is to reset our internet. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it. Three commands are available in my description. Copy it one by one, edit, paste, press enter. After finishing the first command, copy the second command and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. After finishing this, copy the third command, copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. After finishing these commands, you just need to close it off here. Our work in CMD is done guys. One more thing we need to do is reset our internet from the Windows settings. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes guys. And after doing this, go ahead and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, you just need to check your problem solved or not. If the problem proceeds, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to add ports for MW3. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall. Click on open the Windows Defender Firewall. On left side, you just need to select advanced settings. In here, you just need to select inbound rules. On right side, select new rule. Select port and select next. Now select the TCP and now specific local ports. You just need to check my video description for this TCP code guys. You just need to copy it and paste it in the specific local ports and select next and select next and select next. And now you just need to name this port as COD TCP. Click on finish. Now you just need to do the same thing for again guys. You just need to click on this new rule again, select port and select next. And now you just need to select UDP and you just need to copy the UDP code, right click on it and select copy it. And now you just need to paste in here guys, specific local ports, and after pasting it, select next, select next, select next. And now you just need to name this port as COD UDP. After typing it, you just need to select finish for saving it. We named it COD UDP because it was BAC to we want to delete it. We have added the MW3 ports. Now we need to check our problem solved or not guys. If the problem proceeds, we will move on to the third solution, guys. The third solution is to reset the modem. If these three solutions did not work, the problem may be caused by game files or MW3 servers. You can try reinstalling the game. However, if it is due to the server, unfortunately, there is nothing we can do. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.